How to use Telegram without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Maybe you want to start using Telegram but then you don't have a certain phone number that you would like to use to log in. So what you have to do is, if you tap on the start messaging option right off the bat, the only option I have to start using Telegram is to start using a phone number, and you can see there is no option to log in with email or something like that. Now if you don't have a real phone number on Telegram, you can't create a Telegram account. But doesn't mean you can't create a Telegram account completely, because you can still create a Telegram account if you have a virtual phone number. Yes, and there are lots of free legal websites that provides you these virtual phone numbers for free, so you can check those websites. I'll have a few links in the description. They will give you the virtual number. You will also get the code in that number. You don't need to have a physical SIM card. You can still get it using the virtual number, and then from there you should be able to get the code and log into your account. This way you can use Telegram account without phone number. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.